Finding good music for videos is way harder than people admit, not because music doesn't exist, but because finding the right music takes forever. You scroll through libraries, test tracks, download, re-edit, and half the time it still doesn't fit. Or worse, you worry about copyright later. That's why I wanted to try Freebeat AI. This Freebeat AI review is based on actually using it to generate music for real content, not just clicking buttons and pretending it works. Freebeat AI is basically a tool that creates music automatically. You choose a vibe, a style, or sometimes just upload your video and it generates a track to match it. No editing skills, no music production knowledge. The first thing I noticed was how fast it is. Instead of spending an hour searching, you get something usable in minutes. That alone changes your workflow, especially if you post a lot of shorts, reels, or YouTube videos. The second thing is flexibility. You're not stuck with one sound. You can try different styles, regenerate versions, and pick what fits best. It feels more like creating music instead of hunting for leftovers. And honestly, for background music, it does the job. Now, real pros and cons. The biggest pro is speed. It removes one of the most annoying parts of content creation. Finding music. It's also beginner friendly. You don't need any experience to use it. The downside is it's not perfect, some tracks feel generic, and Freebeat AI pricing only makes sense if you're creating content regularly. If you barely post videos, you won't use it enough. So is Freebeat AI worth it? If you're a creator, freelancer, or business posting video content consistently, it can save you time and simplify everything. But if you only make videos occasionally, you probably don't need it. Freebeat AI won't replace professional music producers, but it can remove one of the biggest bottlenecks, getting usable music fast so you can actually publish your content. Thanks for watching.